Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making rice crisps or rice chicky, whatever you call, but it's yummy. तो guys चलते हैं मुरमुरे लड्डू बनाना. Let's begin. Here I took 7 cups of rice puff or muri, whatever you call. Just roast it for 1 or 2 minutes and keep it aside. Here I took half cup of peanuts. Roast it at low flame. I think 5 to 7 minutes and keep it aside. Now we will add 350 grams of gur or jaggery. Should be at medium heat and add 4 tablespoons of water. Don't worry about the big chunks of the gur, it will slowly melt down. Stir it occasionally. Actually, this recipe is very easy to make, only gur takes time to melt it down. So it takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Then you will get the right consistency. So be patient guys. Add 1 tablespoon of fennel seed or sauce. The flavor of sauce is very good. It will refresh you. So I am adding this and stir it continuously. Take 1 or 2 drops of melted gur in the water. If it is sticky, then it takes around 3 to 4 minutes more to get right consistency. At this point you have to be careful because it's very hot. Look, it's sticky, so it takes around 3 to 4 minutes more. At this point the heat is at low. Stir it continuously. After 3 to 4 minutes we will again check the consistency. And this time it breaks easily. At this point turn off the flame and add peanuts and the rice puffs or murmure and mix it nicely. It's time to mix it nicely with the spatula. For easy mixing, use the fork and mix it nicely. I think with the fork it's easier to mix. Now it's time to make balls, but be careful guys, it's very hot. You have to handle very carefully. Yay! I made it one. It's very simple to make balls. Just grab the small amounts of the portion and round. It's very easy to make. This rice ball is very yummy and tasty. Whenever you feel hungry, you have it and you're good to go. It's a good source of energy. Your kids also love this laddu. It's very yummy. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Enjoy this recipe and have fun with your family and friends. तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़.